we have subtraction of polynomials. How we do this? First, we have to take down the parentheses. When we don't have any sign before parentheses, we just copy wherever we have inside. So we have negative 3n plus m. Next, we have negative sign. When we have negative sign before parentheses, we have to change the sign every term in parentheses to opposite. We have negative, so now will be positive, and we copy 7n. We have negative, so now will be positive m. One more time, 1. We have like invisible 1 here. Negative 1 times negative 7, negative times negative, give me always positive. And negative times negative, again, give me positive number. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have negative 3n and positive 7n. And we have m and m. So negative 3n plus 7n. We copy variable n, and now we have to combine the coefficients. We have negative 3 plus 7. We have to keep the sign the largest number, so 7 is greater than 3, so it will be positive, and now we have to just subtract 7 minus 3 is 4, so we have positive 4n. And next we have m plus m. When we don't have coefficient, it's always invisible 1. So we copy variable m, and we just add the coefficients. 1 plus 1 is 2. Positive and positive, so we have positive 2m. So this is equal. We don't have to write positive sign, so we have 4n plus 2m. This is my solution.